Java has two selection statements. One is if statement, which we learned in the last video. Another is switch statement, which we will learn in this video. Consider the problem that find the day according to the number. So in this video, consider we have initialized one variable as 2. So we start our switch statement, switch where case 1 means if the variable is 1, then we will print Monday. So we will print Monday when we will find variable as 1. So now case 2 will print Tuesday. Case 3 will print Wednesday. Case 4 will print Thursday. Variable 5 will print Friday. Variable 6 will print Saturday. Case 7 will print Sunday. So this will be our program. So now save it and then run. So the system will go on. The case will be ignored, first case, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then seventh. So now we want that if the case is only 2, then system we do not want another print, so break. We will give break to each of them, that if one is printed, then no one will print again. Now save it and print it. So it will print only Tuesday. And also there is another statement which is, so it will print check if the variable is 2, then it will print Tuesday and then break for the loop for the switch statement. So now there will be one other case is default. So default, in default case means otherwise it will print not a valid day number. So now if we give it as 3, it will print Wednesday. If we give it as 7, it will print Sunday. Now if we give more than 7, that is 9, it will give not a valid day number. So now if we give 45, it will print not a valid day number. So this is the use of case switch statement with break and default case. Now it is possible to use nested switch loop also. In nested switch loop we consider another variable. Means first the problem is if var is 2 and inner var is 7. So we will check this. So in this case, switch var. So now we will check case 2. If it is case 2, then we will again check switch inner var so for this we have to initialize another variable int inner var equal to 7. So now we will check if inner var is case 7, print system dot out dot println var is 2 and inner var is 7. Otherwise it will check for its default in the inner loop default case we print the var is 2 but inner var is not 7. Now we go out of this inner loop and the default case of the outer loop. Now we print system dot var is not 2. Now we have now break in the outer loop here and break in the inner loop here. So now if we run this program, so it will be printed not a valid day number for the previous program and var is not 2 as we set the variable as 45. Now we put variable as 2. Now in our second part of the program we will check So varies 2 and 2 is step for the first program, first part of the program. Varies 2 but inner varies, and inner varies 7, so inner varies 7. So this is this part of the program. If we set this as 8, so it will print varies 2 but inner varies not 7. So this will be the nested switch loop. So now switch statement is efficient that we can check more than one value. So in one statement, in one iteration, we can check case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. So we can check more than 2 values in switch statement, whereas in if statement we can only check 2 values, means if a value else another value. Without we can check more than one value in nested if, but in plain if we cannot check more than 2 value. So switching is more efficient than nested ifs. But the problem of switch statement is that switch statement cannot check inequalities. That is, when var is equal to something, for example 2, it can check, but switch statement cannot check if the var is less than 2 or greater than 2 without the nesting switch. We have to find a tricky way to solve inequalities with switch statement. But to check inequality, it will be very easy using if statements. So this is the main differences between if and switch. So these are the two selection statement of Java program. We will learn about the iteration program in the next video. So thank you.